tree stump in your yard. It could happen to anybody, but it happened here. It's decomposing. We've got these fungus over here that are proof positive that there is decomposition going on here, so this stump will rot out. But if we drill some holes through the trunk and across the growth rings and let air and water down into the trunk, it'll actually hasten decomposition. And in fact, we could add fertilizer to those holes and that would speed it up even more. Another thing we could do is add a product like this, Stump Out or Magic Stump Remover. When we read the label, we find that we're supposed to drill these holes, add the stump out, add a little water, wait 4 to 6 weeks, and then ignite it with kerosene, and it gradually burns out the whole stump. That takes a long time. And the people who just bought this new house want this stump out now. This is a stump grinder. Heavy-duty piece of equipment that you can get at your local rental shop for about $100 for an afternoon. You can cut your costs though if you can find a neighbor who's got a stump to take out too. Here's how it operates. This disc will rotate at a high rate of speed, and these carbide teeth up here will chew through rocks, roots, and that entire stump, rendering it into sawdust. It's got safety guards down here to keep debris from hitting the operator, but I think it's a good idea for you to wear steel-toed shoes, eye protection, and ear protection as well. Well, as you can see, it works pretty well. But there are a few things you need to pay attention to when you're operating a stump grinder. It's got a handbrake that locks one wheel in place so you can give it that side-to-side motion that gradually wears the stump out. The other thing you need to pay attention to is children and pets. There shouldn't be any in the area while you're doing this. This seems to throw debris all over the place. And when you go to the rental shop to get this, make sure that the rental agent tells you how to operate it safely. Different brands, different makes, models operate a little differently. Pay attention to safety. And never, but never reposition this machine with the engine running. We've got the stump chipped out below ground. The next step is going to be to clean up this sawdust. If we leave it on the lawn, it'll burn it. We'll come back and refill the hole with topsoil, and a couple of weeks from now, you'll never know you had a problem here. Don't let tree problems stump you.